Hello everybody, welcome back to our Reset Info channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to fix headphones not detected on your HUAWEI Pura 70 Pro. So first, what you guys want to do is check the headphones, so test them with another device to make sure that they're working and inspect the headphones for any visible damage or debris. So when you're using an adapter, so as you guys can see, this phone does not have the headphone jack port. So when you're using an adapter, make sure that it's a high quality one, not a low quality, and make sure that it's not broken. So first, what you guys can do is restart your phone. So hold the power button. Don't mind the AI voice popping up, you need to hold it a little longer. Click restart and touch to restart the phone again. So I'll see you guys once the phone restarts completely. Now after the restart, what you guys can do is try another pair of headphones. So grab another pair and see if that fixes the issue. If it does, then it might be the issue with your original ones. And what you guys want to do next is check for software updates. So go over to settings. Now what you guys want to do is scroll a bit down until you guys see system and updates. Here click software update, and as you guys can see, my software is up to date, but if yours isn't, then I recommend you guys updating it. It's very important. And after that, if that didn't help you, then it might be the issue of the hardware. So it's either the charging port or your adapter that might be faulty, or your headphones or your phone's Bluetooth receiver. So you should get it checked out at the service center by a professional, not me. So that's basically it. I hope this video helped you. If it did, then leave a like, sub, and a comment, and I'll see you in the next one.